So it's been forever. I've got somebody at work who wants this done. Kind of just going to be restored, essentially. So this is from I don't even know what year, I couldn't even guess, but it's from one of the older Fox bodies. So what we're going to do is just kind of, I'm going to sandblast it in here. That's why I cleaned everything up in here. Sandblast everything, try to get the paint off of here, out of here, and out of here. And then I want to kind of brush this surface here. And what we want to do is just kind of powder coat it black and then wipe off what's chrome, or what was chrome maybe, I don't know, aluminum, I don't really know what it was, 30 years ago or so. Yeah, so powder coat this black, all the inside. It's just gonna get restored. It should look the way it does, but new. So yeah, I'll get this on. Because I'm only running off of a regular outlet, I need to shut this light off so I can get the air in the compressor. Let's get this in here. So that's that. I'm gonna just clean this up with a wire brush. You're not gonna see this too much. I ran out of air. I don't wanna turn the compressor on and run it just for this. So a little bit of extra stuff I gotta get off, like up there. Pretty good though. So I'll sand it down, blow it off, and that'll be that. All right, so here we go before it's been cleaned up. In terms of, well, obviously it's cleaned up, but I mean, like chemical, I gotta wipe it down and stuff. But the back, I just kind of use the wire wheel. I'm not too concerned. It just gets bolted in on top of an intake manifold. You'll never see the back, really. So I'm just getting my stuff set up. My moisture filter is on. This looks ridiculous, but it's just where the air goes in the receiver. So not much I could do about it. I've got my stuff hanging here. My gosh, I need to clean down here so bad. So the plan is to spray it and then try to just wipe off the metal facing here. Okay, so I've got everything on. Grounded. All the lines are to my hopper here, which I don't own $1 million company, so this is what I got. I always like to blow some out just to get started. Now, I'm not too concerned about the mark that the alligator clip left on the paint because, like I said, I'm wiping it off. So let's see if I can go do that. I don't know how I'm going to show you wiping this down. So I'm going to just try my best. Like I said, it's very intricate. So I'm going to see what I could do first, starting with the Ford logo, because that's going to take the longest. After like 7 attempts. I think I got it pretty good. So here it is, fresh out of the oven. It's supposed to be a matte finish. It's a little thin, or I should say shiny, because I laid it on very thick. I'm not concerned because I'm throwing a clear on it. So, and the clear is going to gloss it out as well anyway. So another day. I guess it's raining. Just to kind of finish things up here. There's some things that I want to touch up before I clear coat it. I've got some black right here on the 5. And then I just kind of want to brush up this aluminum again, just to clean it up prior to clearing. Just swapped my container. I think that the problem was that the powder level was too low. I've only got about 1 pound in there. So I think it was having a hard time getting it to suck up to the tubes. And now the oven is just preheating. And once that's done, I'll just put this in here. And I'll clean up my crap. And, well, that'll be that. So, okay, so part is baking. I cleaned up all my junk. Powder has been vacuumed and so on and so forth. So I just have to wait a while for that to bake because, as I've mentioned before a million times, the oven can be as hot as it needs to be for 3 hours. It's only once the part gets the temperature that the powder calls for that I could start my timer. So when I put the part in, the oven was slightly away from the time or the temperature I needed it, but I just gotta wait a while. So hopefully in the spring we'll get a dumpster at the house and maybe I can get rid of that. This little spot here sucks. It's tiny. So it's like I'm working in a closet. So I ran into the problem of sparkly powder again. Now, I don't think the guy's gonna care. He wasn't really specific on a color or specific on what he wanted. So I'm gonna present it to him and see if he likes it. If not, I guess I'm doing it again. Now, here it is. It came out pretty good, I think. But you can't really see in here, but the black is kind of sparkly, similar to the last video I made. So, there's that.